Have you ever looked at your partner and thought, when did we stop being us? It's not that you're fighting, you're not in crisis, but somehow you've drifted into living side by side, more like roommates than romantic partners. The routines are running, the house is managed, but emotionally, it feels like you're on completely different islands. If that resonates, it doesn't mean that you're falling out of love. It means that the connection has gone quiet and the autopilot has taken over. I'm Monica Burford, a licensed marriage and family therapist in Sacramento, California. I have a virtual practice where I help couples move from disconnected coexistence to a relationship they can count on, one where they feel seen, safe, and chosen again. Let's talk about 3 signs that you might be stuck in this parallel lives pattern. One sign is that you're sharing space, but not your inner world. You keep your thoughts and feelings to yourself, not out of secrecy, but because it feels easier than being misunderstood, feeling ignored, or not feeling cared for. You start to think things like, why bring it up if it's not going to matter? Another sign is that though everything is efficient, it's emotionally empty. You're running a household, maybe raising kids together, you're making it work, but it's all logistics, not love. Lastly, the effort feels one-sided. You're the one reading the books, trying to reconnect, initiating talks, and your partner might not be resistant, but it's not working. If that sounds familiar, don't panic. This doesn't mean that your relationship is doomed. It means that your connection needs support. This kind of disconnection is common, and more importantly, it's changeable. If you think that your relationship needs additional support, I offer free 45-minute video consultations for couples. We can talk through what's really happening, see if we're a good fit, and explore how to bring your connection back online.